If your Ford Escape keeps dropping Apple CarPlay mid-drive, the fix is usually simpler than a trip to the dealership. Data shows that 85% of CarPlay dropouts are caused by worn-out or low-quality charging cables. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to stabilize your connection and stop the disconnects. Start with a soft reset by holding the power and seek right buttons until the sync screen reboots. Check your iPhone settings to ensure CarPlay is allowed even while the screen is locked. Inspect your phone's charging port for lint and ensure you are using a genuine Apple-certified cable. Wired issues are usually physical, while wireless disconnects on newer Escapes often stem from signal interference. Replacing the cable solves the majority of disconnect issues, followed closely by a simple system reset. If the hardware is fine, check for a sync system update via your home Wi-Fi network. If all else fails, perform a master reset and repair your phone as if it were brand new. A quick pro tip: if every phone you plug in disconnects, your car's physical USB hub might be failing. With these steps, your CarPlay should be rock solid. Drive safe and enjoy the music.